to all my teachers and friends. I'm Dr. Orchid Mariam from 3 Emerald, and today I would like to show you my presentation for the STEM competition. Do you know our bones are constantly being destroyed and rebuilt every day? In fact, our entire skeleton is replaced every 10 years. Together with us today is Professor Emeritus Dato Dr. Mohamad Abd Razak, also a chairman of the UKM Board of Directors, and also a senior consultant orthopedic surgeon. Hi Professor, I really appreciate meeting you today.
So do I, Dr. Okay.
Professor, thank you for spending your time for my presentation. I would like to ask you a few questions regarding the human bones. My first question is, can you tell us what is your profession and which area do you specialize in?
Thank you very much for a very good question, Dr. Orchid. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and my subspecialty is in spine surgery. In other words, I do operation on spine of my patient.
Thank you, Professor. Can you tell us how many bones in the human body and what are bones made of?
In human body or in our body, we have total 206 type of bones. And bone basically made up from material we call it calcium phosphate, and also bone matrix. Bone matrix is structure made up from protein.
Thank you very much, Professor. My next question is, what would a surgeon do if a bone breaks?
Okay, that is a function of orthopedic surgeon. If the bone break, we have to treat the bone. Break, in other words, is fracture. So we have to treat the fracture. How to treat the fracture is very much depend on the type of fracture and severity of fracture. Some fracture can be treated conservatively. In other words, no operation.
Yay!
And another type of fracture, we have to do surgery or operation.
Whoa, thank you so much for answering that. And the next one is, what is your advice to become an orthopedic surgeon like you?
Very good question, Dr. Okay. To become orthopedic surgeon is not that difficult. First, you have to be doctors first. Get a degree. The degree in the doctor, they call it either MBBS or MD. Then only you can enter orthopedic field as trainee of orthopedic surgeon. So you have to sit for special exam, and if you pass the exam, then you will recognize as orthopedic surgeon.
Well, I hope everyone that wants to be an orthopedic like you could get it. Thank you for spending your time, Professor. You are truly inspirational to all of us.
I hope one fine day you will become a doctor for our country.
Thank you.
Welcome.